Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P1658, which stands for Electronic Throttle Control System, ETCS Control Relay On Malfunction, specifically indicates issues related to the electronic throttle control system in the Honda Fit models from 2015 to 2020. This error signifies a malfunction within the control relay that manages the throttle body, impacting the vehicle's ability to regulate engine power. During normal operation, the ETCS control relay ensures smooth communication between the throttle control components and the powertrain control module, PCM. It is located in the underhood fuse or relay box and plays a crucial role in managing engine performance and efficiency. If the relay fails, the vehicle may exhibit performance issues or may not start at all. Understanding the root causes and symptoms of this DTC is essential for ensuring efficient repairs. The DTC P1658 relates specifically to a malfunction of the Electronic Throttle Control System, ETCS, control relay. This relay is critical for enabling the proper operation of the throttle body, which regulates air intake in the engine, thus affecting power output. Its physical location is within the underhood fuse or relay box, making it accessible for testing and replacement if necessary. The ETCS control relay contacts the powertrain control module, PCM, which processes various engine parameters to ensure optimal performance. When this relay malfunctions, it can disrupt the communication between the throttle components and the PCM, leading to various operational problems. Understanding the function and location of this relay is key in addressing the DTC appropriately. Several factors can lead to the DTC P1658 being triggered. One of the primary causes is intermittent failure of the ETCS control relay, which can result from faulty wiring, corrosion, or poor connections. Such intermittent issues can often be tricky to diagnose due to their inconsistent nature. Additionally, the condition of the connections and terminals at both the ETCS control relay and the powertrain control module, PCM, can severely impact functionality. Loose or corroded connections could lead to unreliable operation. Lastly, a damaged ETCS control relay itself can also cause the system to fail to receive the necessary signals, which would ultimately trigger a malfunction indication. Proper assessment of these components is crucial for accurate diagnosis and repair. When dealing with DTC P1658, various symptoms may manifest, directly impacting the vehicle's performance. One prominent symptom is erratic engine performance, where the vehicle may hesitate or stumble during acceleration due to throttle issues. Drivers may also experience delayed throttle responses, making it harder to control the vehicle's power output smoothly. In some cases, the vehicle may fail to start altogether, indicating a severe malfunction within the electronic throttle control system. These symptoms not only compromise the vehicle's drivability, but can also pose safety risks on the road. It is crucial for vehicle owners to recognize these signs and seek diagnostic assistance as soon as they arise. For troubleshooting DTC P1658, the first step involves verifying the problem accurately. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. Use a Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to select the ETCS test in the inspection menu. This step is critical as it allows the technician to check the relay circuit's condition. If the relay circuit is found to be functioning correctly, this indicates that the system may be okay at that moment. But intermittent failures could exist. Therefore, it's wise to inspect connection points at the ETCS control relay and the PCM for poor connections or loose terminals. If any freeze data or an onboard snapshot of this DTC is available, attempt to replicate the failure under identical conditions. If the relay circuit is not okay, proceed to the next troubleshooting step. The second step of troubleshooting DTC P1658 focuses on verifying the status of the ETCS control relay itself. To begin, turn the vehicle to the off lock mode to ensure safety. Next, carefully remove the ETCS control relay from the underhood fuse or relay box, preparing to test its functionality. Testing the ETCS control relay will determine if it is still functioning correctly or if it needs replacement. If the relay passes the test and is confirmed operational, the troubleshooting process continues to the next step. However, if the relay fails the functionality test, it must be replaced with a new unit. A faulty relay can be a direct cause of DTC P1658 being triggered, leading to improper throttle control. In the third troubleshooting step for DTC P1658, the focus is on checking for shorted wires, specifically in the DBW-RLY-CL line. First, ensure the vehicle is turned to the off lock mode for safety. Use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to jump the SCS line, which is a short circuit section used for testing. Next, disconnect the PCM connector A51P to access the necessary points for continuity testing. This step requires checking for continuity between test points 1, PCM connector A number 19, and 2, body ground. Achieving continuity would indicate a short in the DBW-RLY-CL wire between the PCM and the ETCS control relay, necessitating repairs. If continuity doesn't exist, the DBW-RLY-CL wire is deemed okay, and the troubleshooting process moves to the next step. The final troubleshooting step for DTC P1658 involves checking for a shorted wire connection related to the VBDWK DBW-RLY outline to power. Start by disconnecting the PCM connector C51P, which is critical for isolating the circuit for voltage measurement. Once disconnected, transition the vehicle to the on mode for appropriate testing conditions. Measure the voltage between test points 1, PCM connector C number 2, and 2, body ground. If you find battery voltage present, it indicates a short to power in the VBDW-RLY out wire between the PCM and the ETCS control relay, requiring necessary repairs. Should there be no battery voltage measured, the VBDW-RLY out wire is confirmed to be okay, prompting an update of the PCM software if it lacks the latest version, or substituting with a known working PCM. Rechecking after these measures will finalize troubleshooting steps. After completing repairs associated with DTC P1658, it is crucial to verify that the fix has been successful. Start by ensuring that no other Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTCs, are present in the system, as any lingering issues could indicate incomplete repairs. Following this, conduct a test drive while monitoring throttle response, ensuring smooth acceleration and responsiveness. During the test drive, pay attention to any performance anomalies, which may suggest that the initial issue has not been completely resolved. If the vehicle performs as expected, consider checking additional components that may affect throttle operations, ensuring comprehensive repair and functionality. Final verification provides peace of mind before releasing the vehicle back to the owner, confirming all systems operate as intended. Preventive maintenance can be key in avoiding recurring issues associated with DTC P1658. Establish a routine to regularly inspect electrical connections related to the ETCS system, including checking for corrosion, wear, or loose connections that may lead to malfunctions. Additionally, staying proactive about updating the PCM software ensures that it operates with the latest enhancements and bug fixes, preventing issues related to software errors. If you discover a faulty relay or any components during inspection, replacing them promptly can save time and headaches later on. All these efforts contribute to maintaining a reliable electrical system and overall vehicle performance, reducing the likelihood of encountering DTC P1658 or similar errors in the future. In conclusion, understanding DTC P1658 is crucial for diagnosing potential issues with the Electronic Throttle Control System in the Honda Fit. The malfunction often originates from the ETCS control relay or related wiring, significantly affecting vehicle performance. Active troubleshooting steps require systematic checks of the relay's functionality, wiring integrity, and connection conditions to identify the exact cause of the error. Timely repairs, coupled with regular preventive maintenance, can greatly diminish the chances of this DTC reoccurring. A well-maintained vehicle ensures reliability and safety while driving, making it essential for owners to engage in routine checks and follow up on diagnostics. This comprehensive approach leads to both immediate success in addressing DTC P1658 and longer-term vehicle health. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.